Explanation of the script. AWS Template Format Version, September 9, 2010, specifies the version of the AWS CloudFormation template format being used. Resources. This section defines the AWS resources that will be created or managed by the CloudFormation template. MyAssumeRole defines an IAM role resource named MyAssumeRole. Type, AWS, IAM, role, specifies the type of resource as an IAM role. Properties defines the configuration properties for the IAM role, including the role name, MyAssumeRole, and the assumerole policy document, which specifies who or what can assume the role. For CRUD operations on the stack, you can use the same commands provided in previous responses. Here's a recap. Create the CloudFormation stack. Bash. Copy code. AWS CloudFormation create stack. Stack name MyAssumeRole stack. Template body file : /im-assume-role-template YAML. Read details of the stack. Bash. Copy code. AWS CloudFormation describe stacks. Stack name MyAssumeRole stack. Update the CloudFormation stack. Bash. Copy code. AWS CloudFormation update stack. Stack name MyAssumeRole stack. Template body file : /updated-im-assume-role-template YAML. Delete the CloudFormation stack. Bash. Copy code. AWS CloudFormation delete stack. Stack name MyAssumeRole stack. An analogy for an IAM assume role could be a backstage pass. IAM assume role represents a temporary set of permissions that allow an IAM entity to perform actions on behalf of another IAM entity. It's like having a backstage pass that grants access to certain areas or privileges for a limited time. Role name acts as the name or label for the IAM role, similar to the name printed on a backstage pass. Here's a mind map representing the components of the IAM assume role. IAM assume role. Role name. Assume role policy document. Version. Statement. Effect. Principle. Service. Action. This mind map illustrates the components and their relationships within the IAM assume role resource created using AWS CloudFormation.